abandon something! Really do. Welcome back to my garage, everybody. This is the second part to buying the cheapest carbon fibre spoiler that I can find. This spoiler was chosen by my patrons and it is going on Dave. So we'll be removing Dave's Rev 3 spoiler today and mounting the carbon fibre wing. So without further ado, make sure you like and subscribe, and we are going to get this spoiler taken off so we can make room for the new one. Buzzing, cannot wait. So in a previous video we have obviously fitted this spoiler. It's nice and easy, it's just a case of two 10mm bolts and the spoiler will come off. So I'm going to grab myself a socket set and we'll get it off. One. Two, somewhere. Three, somewhere. Is it still on? Still on. That one may have actually unscrewed out of the spoiler itself. Did that last nut come out? No, it's still on there. So there was actually 6 screws, not 4. And I forgot I tiger sealed them as well to make sure they didn't leak. So there is the old spoiler. And here is the damaged bits of wrap and the holes. Now because this is a track car, I'm not overly concerned about the holes. So I am just going to put a piece of wrap over them. Because I can! Because it's not a road car. And I do have lots of offcuts of wrap inside in the box, but I had a piece of blue somewhere there. I'm just going to cut that up and patch it over the holes because I can. Like I said, if this was a proper car I'd probably end up getting a new boot lid, but I have a Rev 1 boot lid with holes and the wings have holes, and I've also got holes for the Rev 3 spoiler in it, and we're about to drill some more holes in it and not one of them leak, so we're doing alright. So the wrap does a good job at covering the holes. So we're quickly going to patch the holes with this bit of blue, and then we can move on to the next step. So all the holes are patched up with some more wraps. That now makes them waterproof, which is awesome. That's one of the reasons why I love the wrap. At some point when I'm happy and I'm not going to change this freaking rear spoiler anymore, I'll re-wrap the whole boot, because then it'll be one sheet. But now we need to get the new spoiler built up so we can get the legs out, attach the legs onto the blade, and we get a measurement of how far apart they are. Then we can get drilling into the boot lid. So I've just put the spoiler on the boot lid. There's a lot of adjustability in the metalwork. It's not bolted in as of yet, so I've got a lot of work still to do. So a bit of an update that the neighbours are having work done, so I couldn't do any filming without hearing grinding and wood cutting and stuff like that, so I had to stop. So it's the next day. It's how I roll, you know this by now. I've just put the spoiler on the boot lid and measured where the holes need to be drilled into the boot lid. I'm currently getting my drill ready and a suitably sized drill bit. I'm going to start with a lovely 3.2mm one and then work my way up to a little bit bigger. What's that? That's probably sufficient. So let's go up to the actual car. I've actually put the end caps on the spoiler as well, just because I wanted to see what it would look like, and it looks nice. What I've done, put some tape, measured it out. That's where the feet sit. I'm just off the tape actually here with this foot, but it's alright. And there's a mark there, mark there, mark there. I press the spoiler down to mark the tape, so now I know where I need to drill. So now it's time to drill more holes in my boot lid. I'm sorry, Dave. Need most. I'm so sorry, Dave. I'm sorry, Dave. Always measure everything. I'm so sorry, Dave. Oh, Dave, no. You wanted this one, didn't you? Bigger drill bit now. Chase that hole. Oh, I think I actually need a bigger drill bit again. Yeah, so I'm gonna get a bigger drill bit. So fingers crossed they should line up now. Alright, I just wanted to line up the front ones before I then draw the rear ones. To make sure I'm happy. Mark it on the tape. I'm not going to wipe it down because I'm going to scratch my wrap, so I'm just going to let the... Yeah, I'm just not going to do anything with it. Oh yeah. And now it's just a case of bolting it on, actually doing the nuts up. I've got some bigger washers for it as well. But we are attached. And there we have one finished spoiler. Fully attached in, bowered with repair washers on the inside. They're the big giant fat penny ones. A patch sprue lid with some wrap, not that you can really tell. And this lovely carbon fibre wing. I've just tightened it in the position that it's in at the moment, but it literally can move forwards, backwards and then tilt. That's how much adjustability there is. I'm quite happy where it is for now. Loving it. Just need to get some like nice exterior shots now.
Do you think looks are important?
No, I don't think so.
What about money?
As you've just seen in the last clip, the car is on different wheels as well, but the spoiler looks freaking awesome. It looks epic, and I put it back on the 15-inch stock wheel. So I bought them last year for like 40 quid, and I've just wrapped them in Toyo Proxy's TR1s, some budget track tyres. Hence why they've got different wheels on since probably the last part of the video clip, because I've literally just fitted them. But no one wants to see me fit some wheels. Yeah, so I think it looks freaking awesome. I need to do something about the wheels, because the wheels now stay, other than needing a wash, you know, they could do a changing colour. Maybe going back to black, I don't know. I'll let you guys leave some comments below of some wheel colour choices, and then obviously I'll do some sort of poll or something on all the options available. So yeah, the spoiler looks freaking epic. I absolutely love it. I've adjusted it where I think I want it for now. It looks pretty good. So I'm quite happy with that. I keep saying quite a lot, so yeah, trying to get the car ready for its MOT, and there's a couple of few bits and bobs I need to do. You may have noticed in that last little walk around I'm missing a fog light. So the fog light that was in was a bit like a fishbowl. I'd already emptied it once last year and it's full again, so I've just got a different fog light and I want to fit it, but I don't have any relevant bulbs. I need some H3 bulbs. So I've ordered some H3 bulbs. Once I've got that, I'll fit the other replacement fog light in. I want to say headlight then. So that to do. I've got a little job to do on the brakes, nothing major, and then I'm going to put centre console back together, and then I think it's ready for its MOT. So fingers crossed. What are we now? Halfway through March. Probably by beginning of April it'll be going in for its test. It gives me 2 weeks to get it ready for its test. So that's pretty sweet. So wish me luck, guys, and I will see you very soon in another video. Thank you very much for the patrons for choosing the spoiler, and because of you guys the spoiler's gone in the car. And like I said many times, when I've just decided on the colour, I'm going to print the vinyl off. I'm going to stick your names all over it. So thank you very much. And if you're interested in becoming a patron and you're interested in sticking your name on the spoiler, make sure you click the link below and go to my patronage, and I will see you there. Thank you very much. Stay humble. Take care. Bye-bye. I mended something! Really do.